Top 20 Cucumber Interview Questions. Question 1. What is the main purpose of Cucumber in testing? A. Test web applications with Selenium. B. Automate acceptance testing based on Gherkin syntax. C. Write unit tests for API. D. Perform load testing. The correct answer is B. Automate acceptance testing based on Gherkin syntax. Cucumber automates acceptance tests by executing Gherkin-written behavior scenarios. Question 2. Which language is used for writing feature files in Cucumber? A. Java. B. Gherkin. C. Ruby. D. JavaScript. The correct answer is B. Gherkin. Feature files in Cucumber are written in Gherkin syntax, a structured language for defining tests. Question 3. What does the given step in Gherkin represent? A. Test input. B. Initial context or state. C. Expected output. D. Test execution. The correct answer is B. Initial context or state. Given sets up the initial conditions for the scenario in Cucumber. Question 4. What is the use of the when step in Gherkin? A. Set up conditions. B. Perform an action or trigger. C. Validate the result. D. Write assertions. The correct answer is B. Perform an action or trigger. When describes an action that occurs during the scenario. Question 5. What does the then step in Gherkin indicate? A. Preconditions. B. Test result or outcome. C. Assertions for actions. D. Data initialization. The correct answer is B. Test result or outcome. Then is used to validate the result of the actions performed in the scenario. Question 6. Which of the following is a valid Cucumber feature file extension? A. .feature. B. .gherkin. C. .cucumber. D. .test. The correct answer is A. .feature. Cucumber feature files use the .feature extension for scenario definitions. Question 7. What is a Cucumber step definition? A. Code that maps Gherkin steps to executable actions. B. The test report generated after a run. C. Feature file. D. Cucumber plugin. The correct answer is A. Code that maps Gherkin steps to executable actions. Step definitions link Gherkin steps to the code that executes them. Question 8. Which of these tools does Cucumber integrate with for automated testing? A. Junit. B. TestNG. C. Selenium. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Cucumber can integrate with testing frameworks like Junit, TestNG, and Selenium. Question 9. Which command is used to run Cucumber tests from the command line? A. MVN test. B. Cucumber. C. MVN cucumber. Run. D. Gradle cucumber. The correct answer is C. MVN cucumber. Run. The MVN cucumber. Run command executes Cucumber tests from the command line. Question 10. What is a Cucumber scenario outline used for? A. Testing multiple combinations of input data. B. Describing a single test scenario. C. Writing feature files. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Testing multiple combinations of input data. Scenario outlines allow running the same test with different data sets. Question 11. Which of the following is a valid Gherkin keyword? A. Then. B. Action. C. Input. D. Test. The correct answer is A. Then. Then is a keyword used to define expected outcomes in Gherkin scenarios. Question 12. Which tool is used to convert Gherkin syntax to executable steps in Cucumber? A. Gherkin parser. B. Step definition. C. Step executor. D. Cucumber runner. The correct answer is B. Step definition. Step definitions map Gherkin steps to executable code for testing. Question 13. What is the default behavior of Cucumber's background section? A. It runs before each scenario in the feature. B. It runs after each scenario in the feature. C. It runs only once for the first scenario. D. It skips steps. The correct answer is A. It runs before each scenario in the feature. The background section is executed before each scenario in the feature file. Question 14. What does the Cucumber dry run feature do? A. Runs tests without executing steps. B. Executes tests with real data. C. Validates Gherkin syntax only. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Runs tests without executing steps. Dry run checks if all Gherkin steps have corresponding step definitions. Question 15. Which programming languages does Cucumber support? A. Java. B. Ruby. C. JavaScript. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Cucumber supports multiple languages like Java, Ruby, JavaScript, etc. Question 16. Which framework is used for parallel test execution in Cucumber? A. Junit. B. TestNG. C. Cucumber Parallel. D. Cucumber Runner. The correct answer is B. TestNG. TestNG supports parallel execution in Cucumber to speed up tests. Question 17. What does Cucumber tags help in? A. Organizing tests by categories. B. Running specific scenarios. C. Grouping test data. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Organizing tests by categories. Tags help in organizing and selectively running tests in Cucumber. Question 18. What is the purpose of Cucumber's examples section in scenario outline? A. To write data sets for a scenario. B. To define step implementation. C. To validate test output. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. To write data sets for a scenario. Examples define input values to run the scenario outline with multiple data sets. Question 19. What does the Cucumber options annotation define? A. Cucumber feature location. B. Cucumber test execution parameters. C. Test report generation. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Cucumber options defines feature location, execution options, and reporting configurations. Question 20. How do you run specific features in Cucumber? A. Use a tag filter. B. Define a scenario name. C. Use parallel execution. D. Change the feature file path. The correct answer is A. Use a tag filter. Tags allow filtering and running specific features or scenarios in Cucumber.